ni saa cia Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Ni siavika saa mwanza saa cia Afrika umeloni wasiwa muthanyani wa mundu twi matuku 25 mwini wa thanthatu mwaka 2021 muthanya wa katano na ukethia na nautho chendini wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo muthanyani wa umuthi valangu mbanisi Mauvoo mekivathukanya na muthanyani wa umuthi ni ukulitie kana we ni wisi undu cianisa kwa ukulie kilasini cha secondary kana cia mina kilasi cha nyanya KCPE ni wisi undu isa kwa ikalika kilasini ikalika masukuluni ma secondary ambayo tweet mutango TVKE director mwema hashtag Vilingi wa Mauvoo namba ito atumani mukuvini ili 395 ili 395 niyo namba ito ya utumani mukuvi twambe Mauvoo ku ya Kiswani mungame munene wa Zamara Group Sandip Richaura no akule serikali ya ile mivango ya ilovia cia usene kumana na kwithe wa miongo nyanya na itano ilwa yana ya thukumi alamate ma serikali na makambuni nene matethia muvango ni u Richaura ni wakule serikali yithe na muvango mulumu wa metala melu ya ndevisia usene muno itina wa mwinyu wa corona Angela Muse kuma Mombasa ni wakutuvia Vilingi wa Mauvoo umundi ewambe
ainena na andiki ma Mauvoo itina wa kuvingwa ikomano ya methenya ili na mivia ikivathukanyo va Kenya avisa munene wa kikundi kia biashara na kuthinikia muvango wa mbesa cia useni Zamara Sandip Richaura ni umya witano kwi serikali na mivia ingi ya kuthinikia mivango ya mbesa cia useni ivikie kuikia mitala mbailu ni kana kukilia muvia wa pension va Kenya. Richaura ni waweta kana kilungu kia miongo nyanya na itano yulu wa yana kia athukumi va Kenya takite muvango ni usu.
We are saying that at least for everybody who is working in the formal sector, pension contributions at a sensible level should be compulsory. Okay? So currently if you look at the only compulsory scheme in the country is our National Social Security Fund. But how much do we pay to NSSF? 200 shillings a month, right? It is very low, right? If you take this 200 shillings by both the employer and the employee, which is 400 shillings a month, I mean, it's will not give us a decent benefit when we retire. In fact, the pension that we can get from NSSF will only be about 1% of our final salary.
Ni wawetakana kilungu kia 15 yulu wa yana kia athukumi takyo ki yambesa cia kutumia itina wa kuritaya awetakana andu aingita memu isioni munene waku kwa sambesa cia kutumia itina wa kuritaya.
Get them to save. The way to do that is to make it very simple, very flexible, and using technology. Okay? So at Zamara we have launched a scheme for the informal sector called the Fahari Retirement Plan. Through this arrangement, any Kenyan, each of the 17 million Kenyans in the informal sector, they can open a secure pension and insurance account that is linked to their national ID in less than 2 minutes. They can make contributions of any amount at any time, any frequency from wherever they are using any channel very easily. On their
Anthony Kilavini avisa kuma kikundi ni kia Zamara vala wathuthia ene nthima vikie kulika muvango ni wa kusave mbesa cia useni tanzia imwe ya kuikithia kana tavena mbesa cia utumiwa itina wa mundu kuritaya
na ndo ingi maina guo pa Kenya na vuthu alame na muvango wa pension yani matila wa mbesa ukethia ni cia alika chao katika account na invest wa nikendela marita manewe chao manewe pension na masabu ala tuikite hiyo nani kana 85% ya thukumi monde ba Kenya maina muvango wa pension na yutu italai mama mboga alama desamboka boda kana nduthi ando onde alama thukuma ila itawajua kali mai pension na yino tukwenda mesilie munondo matona kwika nikendela meritaya withe ni makwata chao makwata pension
ni wakule serikali ivikie kulikilila katina kukilia muvango wa mbesa cia useni ni kana kilungukia andu alama muvango ni usu wa mbesa cia useni uvikie kuongeleka aweta kana wingi wa andu alama te muvango ni usu tautonya kuwete muisio munene va Kenya
na yu serikali ni elite nukwikata ni utethesia ukethea yu ni kuiva tuvesa tunini wethia mundu no kumia twasieta miongweli kana ya nathimwi serikali ukethia ni kumia chao ya nathimwi ikaongelela mundu usu katika mpango usu nikenda withie ni atethia andu ingi alamate katika pension withie ni matetheka pateu ndino ya Kenya thina changamoto nene muno na twiba umutavyu nundu nithie tuthukumite wio miaka mingi nituwisi na itwisi alama tena pension methi nani
atwika mbewa maneli na 50 na ikuni mbewa ya nimo cia retire na makambuni kivathukanio nimo methiwa mavika nthini wa ekomano yu bala methiwa mainenanisia ula matonya kuukile muvyo wa mbesa cia useeni ula ukunikite muno ni kuka kwa uwau wa ikua ya corona. Ngilivoti ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nitawa Angelina Mose.
Chauma kisiwani tuke kauntini ya Mombasa vala komanda wa volisi wa Masako Isa Muhammad na wakule nendema kwa tiene na kuthukuma vamwe na muvya wa volisi kovetangasiko sia ungendile kisioneki Isa ingini wawe takana volisi ni yumite kukita na siko sia uvukani na siko sionde mdhuku kisioneki. Daniela Mwongela kuma Masako yanangeweno.
Komanda munene wa mavisa mausese kauntini ya Masako Bwana Isa Muhammad ni wonye witano kwa NND kukwatena na mavisa mausese ni kana kumina siku sia kuvucha kwa siana nini ila siende na kwikadhi ya kilioni mbunge cha mwala vala kiko cha uyumetuki ni kila cha mwetu wa miaka 16 na ula wasomea skulu ni umo wa sekondari kuu ya Meru kuoneka itina wa kuithiwa aiye mwakani muvetuku.
Cases of defilement, but we are addressing the same through the community, and most cases are before court. And we had a case of in the river where we had a child who disappeared last year, who was in a secondary school, but we recovered her yesterday from Githurai. She was 16 years old. She was informed to in Meru, and we recovered the child, and also we have suspects who are in custody. They will be charged before court. So those are, we did an intensive investigations to secure that child.
Ungi Mahamud ni wale sekana mavisa mausese nimekwatiania na NND nikienda kumina siku sia uvungulu wa Mauvoo na kwikithekana isio cionthe va kauntini ya Masako ni siethi wana usese ula wailite.
There's nothing much worrying. There's good relationship between the community and the police. Extremely. The best within Machakos County, to be precise. So we need just to enhance that and improve on where we think that we are not doing our best. And there's room for improvement always. Otherwise, so far so good. We're happy.
Danene ya julu wa siku sia nzovi mbatane na utumi wa ndawa sio mila ungu wa siana sia mwika ni wale sekana silikali ni yovoto eteka vyu ukuli ni kenda kumina nzovi esu mbatane muthemba wa kaluvu na ile ngito mewa isione ingeva ukamba na lesekana mende na utoa ise misako na vamwe na NND na mavisa ma nyumba 10 ni kenda kuikithekana nzovi esu ni ya minwa ku ukamba.
Otherwise on issues of illicit brews and drugs, we are working on them, and we have dealt with so many issues of Vilingi, particularly in Mwala. That's why we have illicit brews, not in other place. In Vilingi there we have illicit brews, and we have dealt with that.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutongoi TV, kauntini ya Masako, kilioni mbunge cha Mwala.
Tuatani sena Mauvoo mausese inenda kunenga Mauvoo makoneti kisomo valandongo ya alimu wanene ma secondary indimulika he na ukuli muvya wa kisomo kuikithia ni manenga amanyiwa la mamina mutiani wa KCPE mwanya wa kuikithia masukulu alame kwenda kuthi ma secondary kahe yasia kana sini malete kumanithio undu muvya wa kisomo usakuwa amanyiwa kuthi sukulu ni sia secondary.
Form 1 intake, is on. We are seeing parents moving up and down, trying to change schools. We want to say as principals that there is more that requires to be done. At the point of choices when they are being made in class 8, I think proper advice should be given to the students on how they place their clusters. Secondly, I think moving forward, my suggestion would be, or proposal would be, could we think of allowing time for students to review their choices once the results have been released? For example, after the release of the results, then the Ministry of Education would explain to the general public that the following will be the criteria that will be used for selection. Criteria A, B, C. These are the affirmative actions that are going to be put in place. Now, based on those criteria and the student's choice, the parent can now look at the mark his or her child has vis-a-vis the criteria and make a decision. Do I leave my choices the way they are, or do I now go and review the choices? So if they have an opportunity to review those choices, then I believe we may have a little harmony when it comes to selection. This push and pull that they want particular kind of schools would not be there, because they had an opportunity to now make an informed decision. But I think that is what I would propose. Maybe it is time as a sector we look at it and see if universities through COOPs give an opportunity for candidates to revise their degree choices after the results have been released. We can do the same after KCPE, so that we reduce on this movement of parents from school A to school B, looking for requests, wanting to change, until it waters down the efforts officers of the Ministry of Education did in releasing the list of selected students.
Gewesu ya kisomo ya mbonenga mwanya wa kuthio mwavaini nini sio kethetie @mutongo tvke director mwema #Vilingi wa Mauvoo ili 395 niyo namba yako yotuma ni mukuvye twithane itina vindeta yasa.
Ikumbi ya siasa.
Mukikosa kushikana, mutashindwa na huyu mtu.
Mahasla.
Na hatutaki kuingia kwa huyu bado.
Kalonzo will not run alone. Tuko na huyu ndugu Raila ambaye tunajuana sana.
Mimi na Kalonzo hatuwezi kukosana. Tutakubaliana tu. Tutasimama pamoja ili tuweze kutoa hawa wezi.
I would be the most stupid fellow on the earth to go and support the third time.
Wengine wanasema ati hawawezi kuniunga mkono. Mimi si nimeuliza wewe uniunge mkono. Naanza kubweka. Subiri bwana, mambo bado.
Wewe sasa ndani kuibanga ati tibanga nikana tusindeke Ruto. Tibanga nikana tubingie Ruto.
Itafanya namna gani?
Tibanga tiki kindu kiukiongela Ruto nguma.
There is a serious deficit of trust in the NASA arrangement. Honoring of NASA commitments has not been done.
Kabla ya mimi na Raila na Musalia na Weta kusema NASA imekwisha, haijakwisha.
Ngetia kivila nituke Musumbi waambia Kenya.
Inga umea amutua mheshimiwa Kivutha Kibwana, mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka na langi mukwasia ni twithioka mwione.
Kila mtu ana haki ya kwenda kivila kio president. Lakini ilo kuona kinu kia ungama uone kwekala Kenya itise. Wana mama ukamwona waitina.
Mukamba nwasinde. Me have faith in the Kamba people, not to see them.
Ikumbi ya siasa ni kila wachumwa kuambia saa 3:30 sio tuko va Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Kwamba tinainge wadi wa Mukamba ula wekitumi ni Mbenga na Mbenga yake tendala va Mutongo TV. Nondo Mutongo TV niyo itongweti kutane koti ya wadhi wa Mukamba wa Mbenga na Mbenga wadhi no mpomete ulakilumio kumini kumanisha no wati yawe na hindi nikilo wa kuambililia dini wa Fresh Monday ni chavya ngwatilo wa Kelingo Ingumba edition wakati tu ni Wednesday na wakana ni One Man Guitar Live. na indi wakatano chiothokia request yaku imu kwa imwe na ningi ni kilungu cha Benga Nation kuma saa 1:30 kila mwana gina saa 10 ya weyo ni kwibwa nilie tutongoetie dini wako tani ya we are the Benga Nation kama na kwa kila kwa mbele wake ile wakati wakatano dikotia kilungu cha ni chavia ngwatelo bite DJ Biado wakwito wa moshi
ni chavia ngwatelo
twende yale
Vera Beauty College.
Vera Beauty and Fashion College with branches in Nairobi, Eldoret, Thika and Meru. We offer courses in fashion design and creative arts, beadwork and embroidery, interior soft furnishing, flower arrangement, hairdressing, teaching skills, TOT, events planning and management, entrepreneurship and many more. Register now and visit our website www.verabeautycollege.com. You can also call us on 0725 923 550 Nairobi branch, 0725 000 706 Meru branch, 0722 227 428 Thika branch, 0728 087 689 Eldoret branch. Vera Beauty and Fashion College, a center of excellence.
ni muviano ndo akwende na kuseisya Vilingi wa Mauvoo ni ukulitikana ni wisi mutalatala ula muvia wa kisomo utumea kusa kuwasiana skuli ala siuthi siya sekondali mutongo itvke director mwema Twitter undomi otumani wako mukuvi kwesela ili tatokenda imwe itano tusonge nambe enendi maki sioni cha kwa ngondi metabone sub-county ni ya Matongolo county ni ya Masako ni maumia wita na kula kwe muvia wako sevyo malelu isio ni siya ndoa nekana kera umekietu mundo na maona ni malelu nindhini walelu wa Machako sikuthi kangundo kwena na enendhi kwa ilungu ya miaka ilimbanga 10 ni kitikite kisio ni kina ndo kauta makati wa nidhayo boni motesia enangeona yonde
Lima kisocha kwa ngondi kila kimitavoni lelo ni munene wa kuma musini wa Masako kuthi musini wa Kangundo yuni mamekule slikali wa mwana muvewa kusovya malelu umadhenikia na kumekia tumondu lelo ni u
nye ni mwikali wa kisio kicha kwa ngondi tita na challenges mbingi sia lelu ta ngalisumete Masako siendete na Kangundo withi aisembete kusembo kethia ikakoma na aganu ya iloka kuna kakathela yuta mbanga ila siethitwe lelu ni uwitu siana siendete skulu kwacha na siana isu siakongiwe wethi ona ima nikasi siana kana kichao nitaisie kamwe na kala kangi no tunesio kasia lelo withana challenges mbingi ju kale makeno paimba msi yenda obikao siande bwe bo yenda ithia chamba tiyo ukethia bwe yaola lakini kila tutona kulia silikali kwa ndaya ni twikie mbamsi kula kwi Masoko palabe onduko kethia yeke ambamsi na kendo kethia ngalisia ola yule maloli ma muthanga na mavia mavitara ukite kuuka pia basta wa kanisa wa ABC wakonge iwo lelo niu kwa kubilelo nitwanete mbanga mbingi yuto mundi nitumbanite tu ibangithia mathiko ma umwe witu na konge iwo ba lelo niu alama mathiko maketha wa thanthatu
enende amesengalila sisilava sithia oisembete muno na sithia osiende na kuikia mathomo misioni vamwe na kuwa endomo
nye ni mwikali wako kisioni kicha kwa ngondi nitithirwe na mathina maingi muno lelo no akuma Masako kuika Ngundo mbanga sia mota sia maloli ma mavia na ngali nundu mwai wa katatu mwaka ucio na thelile nitwaise ciana ile cia sukulu siendete sukulu paumie nisani thumire na Masako thoka thaa ciithia thaikimileti na o mwai o matikwatanisia mwaka ni pe mundu ungi na kona imotani ona kimi wa kuobu kwa bu na langi maumia mwai ungi wa keli itina isia ngeli me motani na thunda atikani no nitumbanite no kwa undu wa umuti na isi wa thanthatu na kathikwa wa thanthatu na kimiwe ni loli na ithi na kiye kwa uti na thina mwingi muno nundu wa ciana cia sukulu ti lazima katika mukaitia saitika yokidia ciana kana ikile si sukulu
enende amesemo mayende yana kwasi endomo na ethwa maithinikiwa ni meusaitambi na kwikisi ileluni unikana masuvyange mathayu ovamwe na mbanga ila siende na ukusiwa
siokini patungamito ibetwa kwa ngondi na kila kitu thinya muno ni accident cia valeluni unasoviwe una nduma chaina na ndwa iseki watu mondo kana bumps withia kile tinamie ile ni biti kwacha mundu through accident cia leluni itinamia kele mibitu itaisia andu kulingana na 10 nundu wa accident nundu lelo smooth ibeketheo na baikindu cha kolanga gali speed koti tono kulia la consent aduma Kenya National Highway Authority aduma kera na kura tafadhali ukaimutwikie bumps ba nikana andu maitumeka ogwemana megongwa maloli makasembo gazethio na baimundu kukwatikana no zitothika thanthatu anakongiwe na ngalia yathi ndinesa oneka na mundu itaisi ko tafadhali MP witu MCA na atongo yelangi manda yundu batiro nekiwa tumondo ndikanati si kuimbingi chebake sioni kitu
mbanga bingi lelo ni usiothothewa ni kwithiwa ngali mbingi sivita isembete na enendi ila meukilanilia na kavinda kaingi ciana si skulu kana indo cio ila ciukilanilia lelu sithia wa mwisoni na yu mendekethia lelu usiovangwe methwa matonya kwikalava mate usumbwa ni ngali ila siende na uvita Vilingi wa Mauvoo kuma kisioni cha kwa ngondi sam kaundini ya Kathiani nyeni tawa Boni Mutisia
atanithia masindu sikivuthukanio kwa Kibwezi kaunti ya Makueni ni malalamikia kuongeleka kwa mathoa masindu i atanithia ayu meweta kana athoi ni mambi kusemba na kukia kuthoa nundu mathoa meyulu Kennedy tuelesio ndo atanithia makwe
munthi we muthenya wa wakatano ni muthenya wa ndundu ya soko wa Kibwezi na kitumi ni kiuni nethe wanatambuka sokoni ukuthuima mathoa mama liu kivuthukanio la mevikitwe sokoni u tuisianisia na chuma kivitu mathoa mama liu ni methe wa mambata kwa kiwango kinene otaundu mwena kivyulo wa masoko mamboka kauntini ya Makueni ukuelesia
bale usio ndo cionthe ni bandie makobisi manana itongo malu mayo cio ndo cionthe ni bandie na maisha ni maende na kwithiwa me igulu muno especially kwa thocia ona thoi tayu munthi soko andu aingi ni maemiwe ni kuwa ciendu nimeucienda lakini thoa no maemie walio sisia bamboka boka niende na ubanda chuma kithelu makofisi tunaoa na silingi 50 60 lakini umunthi ta mukatethia ama twete ama umetie kuya nyadarwa ikofisi zimwe zeuma silingi zeana
tuisisia mathoa aane kana ikofisi nini yatewa kwa silingi 80 na yole nene kwa silingi yana nambau neti ya kitungu yatewa kwa silingi 3,500 kileti cha kilo yana cha manyanya yatewa kwa silingi 4,000 ikunia ya mbemba nayo yatewa kwa silingi 2,500 mboso muthemba wa nyayo ikunia yatewa kwa 3,800 mboso ya mwayumwe kwa 9,000 mboso ya kathika nayo kwa silingi 8,500 muthoko ikunia na gwo wangamela kwa silingi 6,500 na mamalu mambata kuma 1,800 ngina katikati wa 2,500 na 2,600 kumana na kwambata kwa mathoa a athoi ni methe wana ivinda yumu sokoni u
ni ukita kuwa manana na makopsi na sindu mbingi lakini nethia sindu isu ivandie pyo wethiona uyambidi nenu kiona ndakwite sindu mbingi ta cabbage ni ukita kuwa na silingi 50 lakini yambidi nisioke nundu na hata mukiwa yana kana heite ile kopsi ile thuku pyo nini u market ni yemie pyo ba Kibwezi
athocia namo ni matata kana athoi maikuwa nundu mathoa ni mekathie muno na kumana na kiemenda makono njeki ni serikali ya kaunti ya Makueni ni kana maikambatia mathoa muno kiasi ya kwitha athoi maikuwa
twesuvana kwa government ya Makueni na asa muno ithia mama matukune busi ni kana withie asarela ithite ilika ila twate wamboka vina ni kwitha mwene nthi ndeno uwezo na ndeno utonyi wa kuwamboka na mbesa mbingi ingi ni twaasya muno ko utumesuva matutethesie matukune busi niketha wiyo wende
kavindani kau ni maendelea kuthingilila wendi wao kwa kiwanza cha soko ni kana kuolanga muvivi na noloko cia mithethani ya soko
kawasisia ba ona baibandu besela kami imwana ila isukuma atumi baibandu siesela the market is more than congested na nitwithitwe tine no bo nondo tazio no kasisia kuungamite maloni andu maenda makinanganite nondo maloli yondo mapakiwa ona mamina kumina we sana ibidi ya makesa kuma saa 10 nondo enzi ande bo sokoni hakuna njia sokoni, hakuna space sokoni. Ile space imeremain hapa ni very small onandu. Kwa hiyo mundu tuweza kuasia kana no ku-address issue ya COVID-19.
Kitumini kiu nimeenda serikali ya kaunti ya Makueni kuyanisha watho wayo wakumaki akiwanza sokoni uni kana kuolanga kuviniania muno mithenane ya soko.
Kindu kilati tono boda serikali wa Makueni nundu noti kwenda kwithiwa twina uthukumi museo keka ni batoneka tika mandi wa kiwanza kiseo urona isa ithia kila mundu aiya ciendu ciake cia uthosya nundu no thosya kwanza ela nzeo no tutunge muvea muno ona kethiwa ni kumandi wa bandu bangi tikethiwa ti bandu paseo we would mind bandu bakwikala bandu tikwatanitwo.
Ndi ripoti ya Vilingi Ndunu kuma vake bwezi lai kauntini ya Makueni ninye Kennedy Mulinge.
Ni muvea Kennedy. Ishirika ya Go Green Award ni vingwe masindano makusuvia mawidhi luloko ula kana muvea ula wa vingu wa mitandao ni kana website muvango u vaneo kuthuthia aimi engineer serikali asavyo mameo na atandithia angi aingi kuikithia nthini yethe wanakiu kithiu cha kunywa na mawidhi luloko mailu.
This is a symbol of okay, we now go slowly. We go slowly. We go slowly. A symbol of going green and safeguarding our planet. Wow. Giving back the planet. Wow. You know, we use the shuffle given by God. This is the best one.
The hand shuffle.
The hand shuffle.
It's called the hand shuffle.
Yeah, the hand shuffle.
Yeah.
This is the best one?
Yes.
Okay. So, somebody can nominate you. Tell us what you are doing. We are now online. You can go to www.optingogreen.com and let's start the journey together. God bless Africa. God bless Kenya. God bless Kajiado.
Thank you.
Go Green Africa.
Thank you.
Go Green Kenya.
Thank you. Don't
Go Green Kenya. Okay, fantastic.
Mr. George, thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. George.
My name is George Washiri, the chairman and trustee Optiven Foundation. And today we had an amazing event right here in Kitengela, Kajiado County at GMC Place. And we were launching very humble initiative. We are calling it Go Green Awards 2021. And these Go Green Awards, we want to inspire our Kenyan people. We want to encourage organizations. We want to speak to the individuals that we have a responsibility to take care of our planet Earth. We have a responsibility of taking care of our mother planet. We to give 25 awards in different categories, and these particular awards we are going to start. We have already started nomination today, and you can go on www.optingogreen.com. You can nominate yourself, or you can be nominated. You tell us what you are doing to save our planet, and once you are nominated, we'll give this period about 60 days. Once we have all the nominations, we have another 45 days of people voting you. People will be able to see what you are doing in different counties, what you are doing in your organization, what you are doing as an individual. When you are a farmer, what you are doing. If you are a contractor, what you are doing. And once the voting is done, we have already appointed judges that are people of high caliber, people from higher learning institutions, people from Wangari Maathai Foundation, people from United Nations, to ensure that they check what Kenyan people are doing to make sure that our planet is good, is safe. And once we do this, we have a big event, huge event at Mauvoo 1Pm on 11th of December. We shall be awarding you. So right now, tell us what you are doing to save the planet. Just go online, www.optingogreen.com, nominate yourself, or you can be nominated. For us at Optiven Foundation, we have been on the forefront in terms of advocacy on sustainability. We have done projects with Kajiado County. We have participated in cleaning various cities in different counties. We have been in Murang'a, we have been in Kajiado, we have been in Machakos, and many other counties. We have also given some funding to about 5 schools, whereby every school we give 100,000 for them to establish the seedlings in this particular school. Here in Kajiado, we are sponsoring 3 schools, and we are happy that we are targeting these young people as the foundation. The water we use in different kitchens, in different activities with the restaurant, the water is 90% recycled, and this particular water, we use it to green this particular mountain. So this mountain is always green. You know, we built this mountain for the last 2 years, and this mountain is a symbol that it is the responsibility of every Kenyan person to go green. It's the responsibility of you to ensure that you take care of the planet. If you are doing it, you can do it right from where you are. It could be your kitchen, how you manage waste. It could be you are driving, you know, how do you dispose the things that you're using in your car.
Kalivu Motongo imedhaone timu wa Kenya under 23 Emerging Stars na ukimia timu wa Liberty Sports mbao inya kwa molo tundini wa idhao ya unyanya ilidha ukiwe James Cabridge Grounds.
Pitches! Pitches! Jogos! Lokale! Stay now. Go on. Again, guys. Again. Wow. Wow.
Ni muvya muno mwenda musaise nondo wasese Vilingi wa Mauvoo 1Pm ngwatanio ya mukamba nye nita wa Steven Mwema netongia muvya muno umundi mundu moko nawe mwingi muno kwekethia kana Mauvoo la twakwetea va ni mailu utoneka eta wa Morgan Mwiti Ikiara Gichunge niwe editor witu wa news ni muvya muno na indi mwenda musaise tuyekoma na muthanyani wa ni saa 1:30 na saa 3:30 Nipwatia Vilingi wa Mauvoo kwa hayu tiwa mesa.